Fix them. Stop running around like a lunatic and fix them.
If Arctic temperatures continue to rise, then
Okay, put that part back up and fix them. Nice head.
Just put it down.
tainted waters pose even greater danger for ice bears.
Kelsey, why are you crying? It's over? That death of a snowman? What happened? Why'd you kill the snowman?
I did it.
Who did it?
Well, James just touched him and then he fell over.
Okay, we'll make another one over the weekend, okay? I love you.